Would you mind drawing a map for me?
Sure.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English fluently.
What's your impression about her?
Not bad. She asked me so many questions.
Can you cook?
I can only make instant noodles.
I failed the test.
You need to study more.
This problem is difficult to solve.
Do you have any questions?
Shall we go to the cinema?
Sorry, I'm engaged.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go to the beach.
Do you enjoy going to outdoor concerts?
Absolutely, there's something magical about live music outdoors.
Do you like going to art galleries?
Yes, I find inspiration in different forms of art.
What's your nationality?
Mexico.
Have you ever attended a music festival?
Yes, it was an unforgettable experience.
What's your favorite outdoor concert memory?
Singing along with thousands of fans under the stars.
Can you see Mount Fuji from the hotel you live?
I can see it in good weather.
What is his nationality?
I think he is French.
Do you know Mary?
Sure, we are friends since primary school.
What size do you take?
I usually take a large in shirts.
Have you ever tried woodworking?
Yes, crafting furniture with my hands is rewarding.
I'd like to speak with Mr. Kim.
Mr. Kim is busy on another phone.
Why do you study English?
I enjoy learning languages.
Why not go out for a walk?
I'm a little sick.
His English is quite good.
He speaks better than me.
Do you enjoy going to parties?
Yes, I love going to parties.
The little boy got stung by a bee.
What a pity.
What's your size?
Medium size.
How long have you been married?
We've been married for 2 years.
Where do you have your lunch?
I have my lunch in a snack bar nearby.
Would you like me to help you?
No thank you, I will finish alone.
Where are the gluten-free cookies located?
They are in the health food section.
Excuse me, I am late.
It's fine. I just got here.
I want to eat something.
How does a burger sound?
Could you tell me where platform 7 is?
It's down the stairs and to the left.
I don't like this jacket.
Maybe try a sweater instead.
Is that store far from the company?
About 10 minutes on foot.
Is there an ATM near here?
Yes, it's next to the elevator on the ground floor.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
She often hides behind her mother when there is a stranger.
I was a shy girl like her when I was young.
How long will you be staying?
I'm here until the end of the month.
Whose is this?
It's Kathy's.
How long have you kept this book? Over 1 week.
I have to give it back tomorrow.
She decided not to attend the meeting.
Jane says she went to the park instead.
You should eat more.
I just don't have an appetite.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
I like collecting stamps.
I'll call again later.
I will be home at 7 o'clock.
What do you like?
I like playing basketball.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn.
Excuse me, I am late.
It's fine. I just got here.
Aren't you thirsty?
Yes, I could use a glass of water.
I'm the new class president.
Unbelievable.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Let's take a break.
We will work on the job later.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friends.
I want some water.
You can get water from the sink.
This black tea is so good. Where did you get it?
I did not buy it, it was a gift from my friend.
How long will you be staying?
Just for tonight.
Is this your cell phone?
No, I think it's John's cell phone.
How is the car?
I think the color is not good.
Is there a convenience store near the station?
Of course, you can see it as soon as you get out of the station.
Do you often have dreams?
Some nights I have very vivid dreams.
Have you ever tried scuba diving?
Yes, the underwater world is breathtaking.
How do I get to the bookstore?
Go straight and turn left at the third signal.
Do you need to work today?
No, I'm going to rest today.
What's your favorite type of wine?
A smooth Pinot Noir is my favorite.
Do you have any rooms available for the 14th of April?
I'm sorry we don't have any rooms available.
Would you please stop talking?
I'm sorry, I didn't know you were working here.
Where do you come from?
I come from Bangkok.
What's your favorite farmer's market find?
Heirloom tomatoes bursting with flavor.
You look tired. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Do you enjoy going to wine tastings?
Yes, I love exploring different wine flavors.
What's your favorite dessert?
Cheesecake, especially the New York style.
What does your father do after he retires?
He goes to the gym to do exercise in the morning and goes to the coffee shop to have a conversation with friends in the afternoon.
Have you ever tried bungee jumping?
Yes, it was terrifying but exhilarating.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the park with my friends.
Excuse me, how can I get to the bus station?
You can take the bus and get off at the second stop.
Doctor, is my child well?
It's not a big deal.
Do you enjoy going to fashion shows?
Yes, seeing the latest trends is exciting.
We're getting married.
I'm happy for you.
Where do you live?
I reside in London.
What's your favorite music festival memory?
Camping under the stars with friends and great music.
Have you ever tried glass blowing?
Yes, it's mesmerizing to see glass take shape.
Do you believe in aliens?
I'm not sure, it's an interesting idea though.
Let's go shopping after work.
I have a cold today. Let's go some other time.
Did you save room for dessert?
No, I'm stuffed, thank you.
Can you come back that day?
Not sure. That depends.
Let's go to see it.
That's great.
Have you ever tried archery?
Yes, it requires focus and precision.
Do you have less expensive ones?
No, these are the cheapest ones we have.
What kind of movie ticket do you like?
The tickets in the middle, please.
Have you ever tried snorkeling?
Yes, exploring coral reefs is mesmerizing.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in August.
Do you have time now?
I'm free now.
Please give me a receipt.
No problem.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle.
Do you enjoy reading poetry?
Yes, it's so expressive and moving.
Do you like going to food truck festivals?
Yes, trying different cuisines is a delight.
Do you prefer traveling by train or plane?
I prefer a plane.
Are you feeling tired today?
Yes, I didn't sleep well last night.
You look pale.
I did not eat lunch today.
I am not sure we will get to the restaurant on time.
It's not so far.